Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy, Quran Tajweed course online. Viewers, today we will continue our lesson number 16 from Madani Qaida, and today we will learn the rule of Tafkhim. What is Tafkhim in an Arabic accent? We will learn in this lesson with example. Before starting our lesson, if you are new on my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Viewers, in this lesson I will teach you what is tafkhim in an Arabic accent, what is the condition for letter ra is pronounced in a thick tone. We will learn the condition for letter ra is pronounced in a thick tone with example in this lesson. What is tafkhim? In an Arabic accent, the meaning of tafkhim is to pronounce the letter in a thick tone or thick voice. The meaning of tafkhim is to pronounce the letter in a thick tone or in a thick voice. What is the condition for ra? Letter ra is pronounced in a thick tone. When ra has zabar on it, then it will be pronounced in a thick tone. In an Arabic accent, when letter ra has zabar on it, then it will be pronounced in a thick tone or a heavy tone. Let's see the examples of tafkhim. There is letter ra has zabar on it. It will be pronounced thick tone or heavy voice or thicker voice. This is another example of tafkhim. There is letter ra which has zabar on it, and this ra will be pronounced with a thick voice or heavy voice in an Arabic accent. How do we pronounce letter ra with heavy voice? Let's learn with spelling. صاد زیر خی را الف زبر را سی را تا زبر تا سی را تا سین زیر سی را الف زبر را سی را جیم تو زبر جن Sirajan, Sirajan. In both examples, the letter ra will be pronounced thick voice or heavy voice. How do we pronounce the letter ra in a thick voice or in a heavy voice? Sirata, Sirata. Sirajan, 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 Sirata, Sirata, Sirajan, Sirajan, Sirata, Sirajan. These These are the examples of letter ra pronounced with a thick tone. These are the examples of tafkhim in an Arabic accent. Thanks for watching. Kindly visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.